Remove the housing fixing screws of the camera, one on each side, and separate the front and rear housings of the camera. Do not separate the housings too far or may damage the camera. Use the crowbar in the package to disconnect the coaxial cable from the camera and remove the rear housing. The coaxial cable and its connectors are vulnerable. Please be careful when disconnecting and connecting the cable. Remove the 4 lens fixing screws inside the front housing and take the lens out. Install the lens protection ring on the front of the lens mount. Put the lens into the lens mount. The mounting direction of the lens in the lens mount is unique. Please note the correspondence between the lens locating posts and the locating holes inside the lens mount. Fix the lens into the lens front housing with 4M1.4L 3mm screws. Connect the front and rear housing with 4M1.4L to 0.5mm countersunk screws. Connect the gimbal pre-built coaxial cable on the lens. The space is narrow on the step. Please be careful not to pull the cable. Fix the camera on the gimbal with 3M1.4L 5mm screws. Determine the mounting direction of the camera on the gimbal by using scenario: gimbal upward, downward mounting. Avoid squeezing the cable when installing the camera. If the pitch motor of the gimbal spins unsmoothly or rebounds, it is generally caused by a tense coaxial cable. Please organize the cable and try again. Separate the top and bottom housing of the air unit, then use the crowbar to disconnect the coaxial cable from the air unit and remove it. Do not separate the housings too far or may damage the air unit. Connect the coaxial cable from the gimbal to the air unit and assemble the air unit.